Hi, my name is Susan and I'm so happy to participate in this year 2020 Backyard Contest, which is part of the World Environment Day celebration with the theme Time for Nature. I have here with me my family and we would like to share with you some significance of backyard gardening.
Hi, my name is Rafael. I'm from Ghana. I'm here to tell you one importance of backyard garden. Backyard garden affects air in many ways. When me and my family let out carbon dioxide, all the trees in this backyard absorb the carbon dioxide and give out oxygen, making the air clean. And I want to encourage every parent and every child to plant a tree in their house, because when the last tree dies, the last leaf dies.
Hey, my name is Ed. I'm gonna tell you a few importance of backyard garden. It provides food for me and my family and also provides habitats for birds and other insects. Thank you.
So, as earlier mentioned, time for nature. It's time for us to reflect in our own small way how we can interact with nature, even in our households. And the best way to do that is to keep a backyard garden. Keeping a backyard garden has enormous benefits, as earlier mentioned. The other two I just want to add on is that when it rains, your backyard garden helps water to seep, and so the amount of water that goes about flooding our cities gets minimized, and so we can prevent city flooding in this instance. Again, the water that seeps to the ground helps recharge the groundwater, which we home for our daily consumption. So I just want to encourage everybody that no matter how small it is, keep a backyard garden. It will provide you with enormous services, and that together we can interact with nature, and together we can preserve nature and then live in a sustainable way. Our environment, let's all protect it.
Gardening with the entire family is such an exciting experience that I hope every home or every family will engage in. In our garden, we have vegetables, we have fruits, we have cereals, we have tubers, we have spices, and all of these food groups is very important to ensure healthy living as a family. Backyard gardening,
Time for nature.